Hello everyone, I am Rishabh from Texas Instruments and I am with the validation team.
Hi everyone, I'm Gautam. I'm also in validation team.
And today we are here to talk about MCF 8316A FOC motor driver and 5 of its key features, including initial position detection, initial state detection, windmilling support, and to top up automatic dead time compensation, and finally MPET, which is motor parameter extraction tool.
The first feature we are looking into is IPD, initial position detection. In this, the motor will start from wherever it is without causing any unintentional reverse drive. So now I'm going to start the motor with IPD, initial position detection. So you can see that the motor has started from wherever it is instead of it didn't wobble or something. This is a motor startup waveform. So here if you can see that IPD, we can see the IPD pulses are pumped into the motor, and position is detected with this by measuring the time between the pulses.
The second feature we are going to take a look at is the initial speed detection. So with this we are able to identify the initial state of the motor, and if it's stationary, then we start from the stationary state like so, and in case the fan is already spinning, it would start from there. It would not stop the motor and then restart. So like when I power cycled, you could see that it stopped and then restarted. So here in the waveform, you can clearly see the section where it started from stationary, and this is the part where it resyncs. So this scenario could occur when the motor stops and restarts suddenly, maybe due to a power cut, or when it's already spinning due to the wind, which we refer to as windmilling. So in the next section of the video, we'll take a look at the reverse drive feature that is available with the driver. So right now you can see the fan spinning in the wrong direction, and when I switch it on, you'll be able to see that it'll stop and then spin in the correct direction. Let's take a look at the waveform. So the one in yellow is the current waveform. This is the DC bus voltage, and this is the speed of the motor. As you can see, when I zoom in, there is no, the kinetic energy of the fan is not pumped back into the supply, and hence there is no rise in the DC bus, even though we reverse the direction. The next feature we are going to talk about is the dead time compensation. On the scope right here, we have the phase current waveform. As you can see, it is slightly distorted. This is due to the fact that we have a dead time being inserted. This might be bad for the motor and acoustically. Now when I enable the dead time compensation, you can instantly see the waveform shape improve. This is not only good for your motor, but also good for your ears, and this will give you a good night's sleep.
The next most important feature of the drive is the motor parameter extraction tool. This will measure the resistance and inductance and motor back EMF constant. So it also auto tunes the kpki constants of speed loop. So it will drastically reduce the time to tune the motor, and we can run the motor within no time with auto tuning.